Tell me about this, because I can't keep my eyes off this one right here.
Okay, so first of all, I've partnered with Home Goods to provide these creative tablescapes that touch on the top 3 holiday trends.
Ooh.
So this one that you love is the all white paired with pastel.
Yeah.
And in this case, I chose pink, pretty in pink. And I just layered white plates, as you can see, clear crystal glassware, and came up with this metallic tray.
Wow.
Of course, all the variety of pinks and the ornaments, and then this really sexy faux fur.
It is. This is just kind of cuddle me as I eat.
It, right?
Yes, I would like a little more turkey. Let me just cuddle on this blanket as well. I love the faux fur at the table. I don't think I've seen that before. Really
It's
cool
like
looking.
fashion, tabletop fashion.
It's
of course, you have your glitter with the
yes, cool napkin rings.
sequins.
And then Home
napkin
Goods, so we're not
rings.
having to spend a complete fortune when we're picking stuff out either.